Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For today's lesson, we will continue with dative bond. Okay, ikatan datif dalam bahasa Melayunya. Okay, we look at the diagram here. There are two types of particle, hydrogen ion and ammonia molecule. Okay, as you can see, hydrogen ion don't have electron. Okay, hydrogen ion dia tidak mempunyai elektron, sebab the proton number of hydrogen is 1, so the electron arrangement is 1. If hydrogen donate 1 electron, it will become hydrogen ions with positive charge. So hydrogen ion ni dia langsung tidak mempunyai elektron, sebab atomnya cuma ada satu elektron. Bila dia donate elektron, it become positively charged ion, dia jadi ion bercharge positif, dan elektronnya kosong lah. Okay, and then we have ammonia molecule. Okay, ammonia molecule have a pair of electrons, okay, to be shared. Kita akan tengok lebih lanjut selepas ni. So bila ammonia molecule share a pair of electron with hydrogen ion, now both particles achieve a stable electron arrangement. Okay, bila ammonia ni share a pair of electron, okay, so hydrogen ion bila di share dia akan achieve duplet electron arrangement. Okay, while the nitrogen ion, nitrogen atom in ammonia still in octet electron arrangement. Okay, we look at the other slide. Okay, this is hydrogen ion. Okay, as you can see, there are no electron in the electron shell. Tidak ada elektron dalam electron shellnya, sebab dia dah donate the only one electron. So dia jadi positively charged ion. And then for ammonia molecule, NH3 is a neutral molecule. Each hydrogen atoms H have achieved duplet electron arrangement, while nitrogen atom has achieved octet electron arrangement in ammonia molecule. Okay, so kita tengok nitrogen electron arrangementnya is 2,5 asalnya sebelum dia share. Hydrogen only 1. So what will happen? Okay, because nitrogen needs 3 more electron, so nitrogen will share 3 electron. Okay, share 3 electron with 3 hydrogen atom, because hydrogen also need 1 electron. Okay, so all hydrogen atoms achieve duplet. Okay, and nitrogen atom achieve octet. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, this is ammonia molecule. Okay, as you can see in the electron arrangement of ammonia, or nitrogen to be specific, the nitrogen atom in ammonia molecule has a lone pair of unshared electron. Okay, di sini ada satu one pair, sepasang elektron, okay, yang tidak dikongsi, pasangan elektron bebas dalam bahasa Melayu. Okay, so what will happen? the lone pair of electrons in ammonia is shared with hydrogen ion. Dative bond is formed. Okay, jadi lone pair of electron ni nanti dia akan sharekan dengan hydrogen ion, because hydrogen also need to achieve duplet electron arrangement. Okay, so bila dia share, now dative bond is formed, okay, between hydrogen ion and ammonia molecule. Okay, so dah terbentuklah dative bond. This is dative bond yang ini tadi. Okay, now the substance becomes ammonium ion. Okay, hasil gabungan hydrogen ion dengan ammonia molecule tadi, dia telah sekarang menjadi ammonium ion, NH4 positive. Okay, so NH4 ni dia positively charged. Okay, dia dah menjadi ion. So bila in the ammonium ion NH4, all hydrogen atoms have achieved duplet electron arrangement, while nitrogen atom has achieved octet electron arrangement. Okay, so jadi hydrogen ion tadi, because dia dah share dengan lone pair of electron from nitrogen. Okay, so all hydrogen now achieve duplet electron arrangement. So what is dative bond? Okay, tadi ada perkataan share kan? Okay, so kita dah belajar sebelum ini, sharing of electron itu is covalent bond. So dative bond is a type of covalent bond where the electron pair that is shared comes from one atom only. Okay, dalam subtopic covalent bond, kita belajar 3 types of covalent bond, which is single bond, double bond, and triple bond. Dalam single, double, and triple bond itu, each atom contribute electron. Okay, contribute electron. Setiap atom tu menyumbangkan elektron untuk dikongsi. Tetapi in dative bond, the electron is shared, okay, from one atom only. Okay, pasangan elektron yang dikongsi itu hanya dari satu atom sahaja. Seperti yang kita lihat tadi ya. Atom elektron itu adalah dari nitrogen yang lone pair elektron dia lah. Okay, so this is the Lewis structure of ammonium ion. Okay, dalam bentuk Lewis structure. Lewis structure ni dia hanya menunjukkan duplet dengan octet lah. So this hydrogen refer to dative bond because yang 2 electron ini is from nitrogen atom. Yang lainnya hydrogen dengan nitrogen yang ini is single covalent bond because each atom contribute 1 electron. Kecuali yang tadilah. Okay, so that is dative bond. Okay, a type of covalent bond where the electron pair that is shared comes from one atom only. Okay, and then this is another example of dative bond in hydroxonium ion. Okay, hydroxonium. Okay, hydroxonium ion. Okay, awak yang ini ada dalam textbook awak boleh baca. Okay, dia punya explanation pun sama saja. Okay, dia akan ceritakan in water molecule. This is water molecule. Oxygen atom achieve octet electron arrangement and hydrogen atom achieve stable duplet electron arrangement in water molecule. Okay, tengok hydrogen duplet, Okay, and then oxygen achieve octet, right? Okay, and then we have hydrogen ion does not have any electron in the shell. Okay, yang ini dia hanya tunjukkan positif, which mean no electron at all. Okay, so the next step is the lone pair of electrons that are not involved in covalent bond in water molecule will be shared with hydrogen ion through the formation of dative bond. So dia ada two pair of unshared electron kan. Okay, dia ada dua pasang. Okay, jadi sepasang tu dia akan share kan dengan hydrogen ion. Okay, so that hydrogen ion achieve duplet electron arrangement. So duplet tu actually dia comes from oxygen atom. Kedua-dua elektron tu adalah dari oxygen atom. Oxygen atom ni dia share kedua-dua elektronnya kepada hydrogen ion. Okay, so that hydrogen ion also achieve duplet electron arrangement. And the new compound is called hydroxonium ion. Okay, ion mesti dikurungkan dan letak tanda, okay, positif. And then ini latihan dalam modul. So sebenarnya saya dah bagi jawapan dalam slide sebelum ini tadi ya. So awak cuma perlu salin semula daripada slide yang ditunjukkan sebentar tadi. Okay, so itu saja tentang dative bond. Dia satu subtopik yang very short subtopik lah. Okay, dia cuma dative bond ni is a type of covalent bond. Cuma electron, the shared electron itu comes from one atom only. Tak seperti single bond, double bond and triple bond yang each atom contribute electron to be shared. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.